श्री श्याम जी फिलिंग स्टेशन सबसे सस्ता पेट्रोल दिया हमें.
Thank you. So this is part of our breakfast today. Hello people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. You guys will be wondering why we are not in a riding gear and on our motorcycles, but for a change, we decided to have breakfast at Gwalior. It's 8:11. It's going to get really busy here. So as I was saying, we'll finish breakfast, get ready, check out. So we'll reach the showroom in time. Take the right. This is a one-way road. We're going to have some local breakfast today. Let's see how that goes. Otherwise, this is Gwalior town. So we're having tender coconut. You see how he slices it open. That's all. Simple. अरे हो गया. Straw नहीं चाहिए. ऐसे straw नहीं चाहिए. 50 rupees for each tender coconut. So both of us had one. Thank you. Now we are looking for a decent breakfast for Ritish. Come on, let's hunt. We have a lot of fruits here: tender coconut, banana, apple, orange, papaya. Everything is available here. This is a poha center. Jai Bholenath Poha Center. Look at this. Nimbu, masala, onion, save. I like having such food.
Regular customer.
Thank you. So this is part of our breakfast today. Let's have it. So 20 rupees for each plate. It was nice. Thank you. Yatish is still having. How is it?
No, it's good. It's good.
He's done his breakfast, but I will still try samosa and jalebi. Video. Samosa with chutney. They have it with some gravy, but I don't want that. You sure you don't want that?
No, thank you. Enjoy.
It's hot. It's hot and the thing is filling as well. All breakfast. The way people eat here. Nice. Done with our breakfast. Now heading back to the room. We bought bananas as well. We'll just have that and pack up and leave. So the entire breakfast costed how much, 40 for the poha and 20 rupees for the samosa and jalebi. That's it. 60 rupees we had breakfast. So this is the place, Royal Enfield service point, where we got our motorcycle service. You see the contact numbers on the screen. If you have any issues in Gwalior, you can contact them. They'll get the job done for you. Any issues in Gwalior with Royal Enfield, they are the ones who you need to do. Yatish is buying chocolates. Banana, chocolates, sab kuch le raha hai.
This has two chambers. One is the breezy one and one is the dry one. It's an all-weather gloves from Held, and this is not a paid promotion video. I'm just telling you guys what I use. This is the place where we stayed. Relax Hotel Gwalior. We need the maps. Okay. Looks like even this lens is fogging up. Chandigarh. I need the maps to get out of the city because I'm not sure how we ride out. Yeah, 622 it shows. Yes, now connected. Oh no, I can't see the map with the camera. Hey, map ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವೋ? Yesterday I was totally confused about that fuel price and that integrated check post. So apparently what happens is, after we leave MP, we enter UP for a brief period and again we get back into MP. That is why we cross a check post, and that's where that fuel pricing change was there. We fueled in UP for 98 rupees 95 paise, and after a while we were back in MP where the fuel prices were back up at 109. Left oil munde. Nobody wears helmet here. Everybody has the turban face cover, and the women have their scarf as a face cover. They cover their entire face and only leave their eyes open, and few of them wear goggles as well. Fancy style here. Yatish would love to try that actually, but thing is he doesn't know how to wrap his face like that. I think we'll have to ask someone to help him out. अखिल भाई कैसे हो? बढ़िया, सब ठीक है। मेरा दोस्त यतीश पिछला बार जो दिल्ली पे था ना।
Here we reached the Royal Enfield store in Morena. We met everyone. They're busy with work. Akhil bhai is here. He was the one who suggested us to go to Ravi. और वो दूसरा भैया कहाँ गया? उनका नाम भूल गया मैं। हाँ, Anurag is not here. Oh, this kiddo, he was also here last time. देखा वीडियो पिछले बार? देखा ना? हाँ. And Mr. Abhishek is also there. The people who made Spiti happen are all here. It's quite dark here. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, people who made Spiti happen for me are all here. Actually, I think half of them are here. I think you moved them to a new store.
By the DM, we can use only half, 50 or 50 manpower. We are doing our best, and good luck to him.
Thanks. So we'll just have a cup of tea and we'll get on our way. We'll not disturb their job actually. So let them get their job done. This is the store.
The increase from last 2 days, it's around 225. This one is nice.
That I designed myself. Kind of not designed. The carrier is available. So I thought, okay, why not mount a can on this and use it instead of mounting luggage.
How much liter you can carry?
5 liters.
5 liters.
But, but the thing is, due to heat, no, this bulges up. So release karte I will pull 4 liters and I'll leave that airspace so I can release. So to be on the safer side, better.
Hello guys.
Thank you. We'll meet you on our way back. Thank you. Thank you for everything. As always, we'll meet again. Nice people here at Vedrani Motors. Srinagar is 1058 kilometers. So guys, like that we have entered Rajasthan for a brief. Oh, though, alle 62 though. We'll be entering UP soon. We just left MP, entered Rajasthan. This is for a very short period. See, Rajasthan two-wheelers. A lot of Rajasthan two-wheelers we found, and like we just opened the maps to check where we are, and we have entered Rajasthan. There was a small border check post. It didn't look like any great check post. So we are back into UP, and the fuel cost for today is 97.82 per liter. Ah, thanks, bhai. We got cheaper fuel compared to yesterday. Yesterday it was 98.95. Today it is 97.82. It's a good satisfying day for fueling, I guess, yesterday and today. Shri Shyamji filling station. सबसे सस्ता पेट्रोल दिया हमें, अच्छा हुआ. We just stopped by this service road to clean our visor. We've been splashed by insects so much that we couldn't see. The time is 8 o'clock. We have another, I don't know, 60 or 50 odd kilometers to Ambala camp, and from there on to Chandigarh. Going to be a little late since we had quite a few stops today and we did start late. We need to keep crossing regularly now. Now the visor is crystal clear. In 10 minutes, this entire thing is going to be missed here. Me and my motorcycle with the same luggage setup. Yeah, almost same luggage setup. I came here twice. It's nice. It's exactly 9:06. Yeah, 21:06. Last time we were here during the day.
Our food is here. This is our normal food. What is the time? Time is 11 o'clock, huh?
Yeah, it should be 11, I guess.
It should be 11. We checked in. Yes, 10:56. We are at Chandigarh. We checked in to this place called Ekant Hotel. Yeah, Hotel Ekant. We just got diverted to the outskirts and decided to get into Chandigarh again. Tawa roti with mushroom curry and one rice is there inside this. And it's time to eat. We'll call it a day. Finish off with today's vlog. Thank you for watching it. So until the next one, take care and stay safe.